Welcome back. Believe it or not, Quicken can be used to track the value of your Bitcoin. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go through a few steps to open a Bitcoin account inside of Quicken so that you can track the value of this currency based on when you purchased and how much you have. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the plus button, and then we're going to actually open a brokerage account. We're going to go to the advanced setup, and then we're going to actually enter our transactions manually. We're going to give our account a name, and if we'd rather track for personal, we can do that, or we can actually track for our business. And then we'll click next. We're going to start with a statement date and a cash and money market balance of 0. Then we're going to click next. Quicken is going to ask us for a password. And what we're going to do is we're going to write in our ticker symbol. And the ticker symbol is specific. It is NYXBT. And we're going to tab over. And then we're going to click next. We're going to say no, we're not setting up a separate mutual fund account. And then we're going to click finish. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Bitcoin account. And we're actually going to either enter transactions as of today or when we know we actually made a purchase. So let's do that right now. So let's assume that we purchased 1/10 of a Bitcoin at the beginning of every month since August. So for example, if we go to August, we write the security name, and we write in 0.1. What we're going to do is then we're going to enter and done. Quicken is going to ask us for a password. We're then going to click OK. You'll notice then that according to the value as of this day, that our Bitcoin account would have $790. We would enter another transaction, and we would look for September. We would again write in the Bitcoin index. We would write in 0.1, and we would do the same thing. Enter and done. We would then write in our transaction password, and you'll notice that our value changed again. We can then write in another transaction as of October. So basically, for tax purposes, you have a record of when you actually made the purchase, and this may be important depending on how the rules are set for taxation, but you are also able to track your total inside of your Quicken account. If you now look at your balance sheet, you'll notice you have a Bitcoin investment now of $3,000. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.